Hi, I'm Ken Lebo with InsurTech Express, and this is another demonstration of Navigator AI, and it's about shopping for software solutions, shopping and comparing. So the one thing that you need to understand is that when you use Navigator AI, we have the largest database of life insurance technology, which includes annuities, Medicare, DI, and long-term care for carriers, distributors, and advisors. We also, of course, have some integrated one-click tools where you can get some discounts and free versions of software like Proforce Ledger for IUL illustrations, Midnight Underwriter, field underwriting tool with 42 carriers and doing script checks, and which is also an AI tool, and KollabRT, which is being able to engage with your clients using web forms like life insurance eApp. But let's go take a look of one example, shopping for life insurance eApp, comparing two vendors' products. Compare iPipeline iGo with Hexure Firelight. Description. iGo is an industry-leading e-application solution designed to streamline the life insurance application process. It ensures applications are in good order, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Key features. Advanced functionality provides a comprehensive set of features, digitizing and simplifying the life insurance application underwriting process. Seamless integration integrates with other systems and applications, including policy administration systems and new business underwriting systems. Third-party integrations, which includes LexisNexis, HIPAA-Space, Milliman, and others to supplement data and jumpstart the underwriting process. Cost reduction. User experience cost reductions of over $100 per application by submitting electronically. Link. iGo streamline your life insurance application by iPipeline. That takes you to the iGo page. Hexure Firelight. Firelight is a multi-carrier annuity order entry system and sales platform that transforms the way insurance, retirement, and investment products are marked, sold, and supported. Key features: sales automation, powers digital sales for life insurance, annuities, long-term care, disability, and mutual funds. Configurable solution offers a configurable, cost-effective solutions with consistent user experience and shared data from account opening to post-sale services. Built-in e-signature includes built-in e-signature capability and robust API functionalities. Flexibility provides unique flexibility along with powerful rules engine to support various lines of business workflows and sales process. And links to their platform is here. Now, what if I get a little bit more specific? So if I say compare iPipeline iGo with Hexure Firelight for BGAs for life insurance. See if I get a little bit of a different result this time. It looks pretty similar, though we do get things like efficiency for iPipeline, reduces cycle time, increases placement ratios through intuitive, reflexive-based questions and rules. Compliance ensures all needed information is captured up front, enabled straight-through processing. So that's a little bit of a different. And iGo is a market-leading e-application, eApp solution designed to streamline and digitize the life insurance application process. It ensures applications are submitted in good order, reducing errors and improving efficiencies. Now, when we look at the Hexure Firelight down here, what do we see? It's the user experience is designed to simplify the submission process, reduce not in good order rates, connect carriers, distributors, and advisors to create a unified ecosystem. Summary. iPipeline focuses on ensuring applications are in good order and integrates with various systems to streamline the application process. Hexure Firelight offers a flexible and comprehensive platform that enhances client engagement and simplifies back office process. Depending on how you ask the question in your research, you will get various answers. But the good thing is you're going to get these 3 links: the IGO page, the Firelight Hexure page, and of course InsurTech Express's software solutions, where you can go into eApp and learn more about tools that we market. So this is another example of the power of the world's largest life insurance technology database. Now, we train the data as well as engineer prompts. Besides, you're able to ask general questions within the data like we just did. And that's where you're going to get a more direct, focused answer. And that's the power of our software. Plus, we offer discounts, and we are connected to InsurTechExpress.com, where we can aggregate information and get you easy access to more information around these software solutions in our industry. So please sign up today for InsurTech Navigator AI. Here's the QR code and the website link. Thank you.